But first, our big story tonight at 6, an activist is facing charges stemming from protests in Kenosha following the shooting of Jacob Blake.
Clyde McLemore is accused of trying to injure a police officer during the August unrest. Fox 6's Aaron Maben live in Kenosha with this exclusive video. What's it show, Aaron?
Well, Ben and Mary, that video shows an activist kicking this door right here as an officer tries to close it. Prosecutors say the activist tried injuring the officer, but I just talked with his attorney, and they are challenging the accusations. Protesters pepper sprayed at the Kenosha Public Safety Building on August 24th as tensions rose after the police shooting of Jacob Blake, an officer in riot gear seen trying to shut a broken door. Then our camera captures this door kick by a protester. Now, nearly 6 months later, prosecutors have filed charges against Clyde McLemore in connection to the incident. According to a criminal complaint, McLemore made a statement on Facebook noting the officer's hands were in the door and, quote, he was mad enough to try and break the officer's fingers.
Clyde McLemore didn't try to do anything or attack any police officer, and he was there, he was protesting, he had every right to be there, he didn't commit any crimes.
Deja Vishny is representing McLemore. Prosecutors have charged him with a felony count of attempted battery to a law enforcement officer and misdemeanor count of disorderly conduct.
We certainly intend to use all available legal means to fight this case.
McLemore is a founder of the Black Lives Matter chapter of Lake County, Illinois. In a statement Monday, the organization said, quote, this prosecution against Mr. McLemore, who never caused any harm, speaks volumes and exposes a true agenda of the Kenosha Police Department. And McLemore is scheduled to appear in court on Wednesday. Reporting live in Kenosha, Aaron Maben, Fox 6 News.
Aaron, thank you.